I'm Tejal Chauhan, and I live in Bangalore. I have been teaching in Dean's Academy, ECC layout for more than 12 years. I'm a math teacher, and my career started with teaching, I think, grade 5, and now I have been teaching grade 8 for the past, I think, 5 to 6 years. It's been a beautiful journey with Dean's, and they had organized Chandana ma'am's core training program for teachers. And while we are so experienced, I found that it brought about refreshing change in my thought process towards teaching and helped me build connect with my students. So one of the strategies that I really liked about the program was the art of questioning. How do we introduce questioning? Rather than saying, oh, do you have any doubts? Or, just asking to the children and making them feel probably a little less intelligent. I like the way she told us, that we can say that let's share our questions or if we have any questions with the class. So it becomes more inclusive. It gives the students more confidence, to ask or clarify the doubts. And in the end, I think it helps all of us to learn. So that is one thing which I implemented, and I saw that there were more students forthcoming with questioning. Second thing that I liked is, sometimes we have many hyper students in our class, and we find that they disrupt the class. So one of the things suggested in our program was that, we should do role play. So what I did is that I grouped those students and gave them something, to teach the topic, a part of the concept, to teach the other students the next day. This inculcated responsibility, awareness in them, and they did a good job. So I was very happy that okay, it can be worked out even in this manner. So I think it added one more layer to my classroom teaching and made it more interesting. Then I think she also suggested some tips to connect with the students, listening to the songs that they like. So what I did is I used to see many boys reading these manga books, and I was always curious, how do they go about reading from back to front and then from right to left and all. So even I picked up a few books, and I don't know, they were first very surprised, but I think they slowly felt that okay, ma'am gets us, and they were also more receptive. So this is going beyond your classroom teaching and connecting with students. So that tip also, I think, has helped me grow as a teacher and a person also. We are dealing with a very young age group, and I think somewhere along we also, at least mentally, we have to be at par with them in certain things. So that aspect also was very helpful. So I think and activities are a big part of teaching. And in math, we had this beautiful activity of doing Zentangles. So we, of course, the way we have taught and all, we have done it. But I introduced some soft music, playing in the background when the students are drawing. So it just made the whole, it really brought Zen to my classroom, I can say. So I think, that tip was very beautiful and it worked out well. So I'm very happy about all these small changes that have helped to make the classroom better. Yes, I would strongly recommend that you go for it, because even if you are an experienced teacher, I think we all can do with inputs to better our work and be more productive, more effective in our class. So all should go for it, eyes closed.